Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to walk you through how to get the best possible discount on Hostinger's self-hosted n8n plans using my exclusive coupon code valid for February 2026. Now here's what makes my code different from a regular Hostinger coupon. A standard coupon gets you around 10% off, but with the link I've dropped in the description and pinned comment, you're looking at an automatic 20% discount that's double, plus a free .com domain thrown in at no extra cost. The link is organized by country, so you'll land on a version of the Hostinger website that's already optimized for your local currency and language. Just click the one that matches your region. Once you're on the Hostinger site, head to the navbar and tap on services. You'll see the full list of everything Hostinger offers, and I want to be clear, this 20% discount applies to all their plans and services, not just one. But for today's video, we are focusing on Hostinger's self-hosted n8n. If you are into workflow automation, this is a fantastic option because you get full control over your n8n instance without the monthly subscription costs of n8n cloud. You'll see 4 VPS tiers available: KVM1, KVM2, KVM4 and KVM8. For most users just getting started with n8n automation, the KVM2 plan hits the sweet spot between price and performance. That's the one I'll be going with today. Add it to your cart, head to checkout, and you'll see the 20% discount and free domain applied automatically. No need to copy paste anything. One quick tip: always sign up with a fresh email address to make sure the deal goes through cleanly. If this saved you money, hit that like button and subscribe for more n8n automation tips and hosting deals. See you in the next one.